Hello everyone. So today we are going to make rosemary salt. I have taken 2 tablespoons of coarse salt and I'm adding half a cup of rosemary leaves to it, and I'm also adding few leaves of sage and thyme to it just to break the flavor of rosemary. Our rosemary is very strong and very flavorful. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic to it, and after adding all the ingredients to the jar, you close the lid and you blend it all together. So this is very salty, so I'm using it as a salt in the recipes, but if you want it to be less salty and you want to use it more for the flavor, then you can add maybe 1 cup of rosemary leaves to 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, so that way you can use it more for the flavor. And if you want less salt to it, you can even add more of the thyme and sage to it if you want to. So this is not completely blended yet, so we are gonna blend it again. And it's important to take the coarse salt. That's how it's gonna blend together. If it's the regular salt, then it might not blend very well. So after it's all blended together, you can transfer it into a bottle. So you will see that this has turned into a complete powder. It's all mixed together. All the leaves are turned into a powder mixed with the salt. So it's a very nice consistency, and there is no need to add oil, and it works really well. So I'm transferring all of it into the bottle, and you can store this for at least 2 weeks in the fridge. I think you can keep it outside too, but I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, so it's better to keep it in the fridge to be safe. And depending on how much you need, you can consume it in some time and you can make it again fresh. I hope you liked the video and enjoy this new recipe. Have a good day.